tayo masyadong videos today dahil nag-meeting ako maghapon. Hindi rin ako nakapag-video picture sa office. So, bawi na lang tomorrow. Ay, hindi pa rin lalabas pala tayo for dinner. So, try ko. Ito ko may tagyawat.
Pork meat, but in a very long way.
Oh, okay.
So
This is day 3 and ilang araw ko nang tinitiis yung ganitong breakfast.
Ganito ka-boring dito. Cereal. May honey. Cold cuts. Cheese. Then, ala lang yan. And omelette.
And we finally had time to shop. First time kong bumili ng mga high-end makeup.
No.
By any chance, would you have rice? By any chance?
And 4th day na to after office.
Dito pa lang ako sa labas na kami ko na yung chocolate. Shucks, may mag-field trip. Dapat mo ano ako sa kanila.
Isa talaga sa na-observe ko dito, grabe yung work-life balance nila. Parang lahat ng tao may hobby, may activities outside work.
Grabe, ang bango. Nibila tayo ng chocolate. Tingnan natin kung magkano.
Perfect pampasalubong ang mga chocolates na nabili ko dito. Sure pa na bago kasi freshly made from the factory. Hindi na lang ako nag-video sa loob kasi puro bata. And nakatatlong paper bags lang naman tayo. This is our 5th day at ako, feel ko mag-imagine that I have a corner office. Nagkaayaan nga to drink outside and sa baba lang to ng office.
Cheers! Ayan!
And dito lang yung matagal ko ng peg. To have a video habang may umaandar na tram sa likod. The next day, we visited a museum. And hindi ko na i-attempt i-pronounce ano yung name. But we went out with a very heavy heart after leaving this place. Marami akong natutunan about their history and ano yung mga pinagdaanan nila during the wars. Hindi naman kasi yun part ng curriculum natin sa Pinas. And sana hindi na ito mangyari kahit kailan. We then went out shopping and had dinner, of course. Parang lahat ng restaurant na nandito, may mga tumutugtog. And how to spot a Pinoy?
Sapilitan talaga to yung Chin. Anong pinag-cheersan natin?
And sobrang sinuwerte ako sa travel na to kasi may kasama tayong mahilig magpicture. Kaya naman very Instagrammable ang mga kuha sa akin. And for our last day, gumala lang kami for a half day before going to the airport. That is our 1 week in Warsaw, Poland at marami pa akong gustong i-share.
Like a gangster.
Jest jak ludzie